the transcendent crystal. I'm gonna cut this. Love it. I'm not sure that you can get more or you can get in smaller pack like this, but it's perfect. It have a few of them that I need. I'm gonna probably do these two colors. Is it close enough? It doesn't matter, you can use any colors. And then one of the bows right there. Okay, we'll see how it is, and then we can do this one shortly. And then we're gonna put the matte finish on it. But first thing first, we're gonna using extra thick condensed glue gels. This is the first nails. This is triple thick, so it like way thicker. So if you are loving the big crystal, if you are having your triple thicks, extra thicks, this is gonna be a great. And make it like a bead the same size as one of your crystals. And with this, you want to make sure you cure that is 2 minutes because it's super thick. It will hold out all of your crystals. And then I'm going to add some matte top coat on, because I want to finish the matte look. If you have this one on, you make sure that you have to have the crystal clipper remover, because or else it will might not coming off because it was gonna stay on. And we're gonna make it like a triangle. It's quite really nice, and it's kind of really cool and it big. I don't know how I get the first one. It's so cute and big. Alright, we're gonna get it like closer together, like a triangle leaning on each other. See that how is anchored the base, and this one will hold all of your crystals, and it's not going anywhere. I'm getting on this side right there for the bows. I love that how this is give you all the time that you can work with, and without they are runny, so then you can put even the bigger crystals and charms. I'm adjusting it. Get the bows in. I really want one more. Should I do one more?
You can do another one. So
I'm gonna do one the smaller one in my collection, just tiny one. Right there. Hold still for the bow. And I want just a smaller one in. There you go. I want to give it like a huge. I'm gonna shift it. So you can adjusting your big crystals however you want. I'm gonna give it a quick adjusting. Looks good. It looks really, really good. Okay. And I'm gonna leave it like this because I'm gonna add the bows on shortly because I'm gonna do some designs. If the bows get in, it might cover my designs. I mean the color that I'm going to do. Okay, flash here for 60 seconds.